Want to learn how to create upsells for your freelance services? If you're looking for a quick, effective way to boost your income with minimal effort, then this is the video for you. I'll show you how to easily implement upsells that will increase the value of your services without requiring a massive amount of extra work. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single project into multiple opportunities for bigger profits. First things first, upselling is all about providing additional value that naturally complements the service you're already offering. It's not about pushing your client to buy more stuff they don't need. It's about offering them something extra that enhances their experience. Think of it as helping them solve more of their problems while making a little extra money. A simple way to start is by identifying areas where your current service can be expanded. For example, if you're a web designer, an easy upsell could be offering to manage their website's SEO or providing ongoing maintenance. If you're a photographer, you could offer photo editing services, prints, or album designs. The key here is to make sure these add-ons make sense and will genuinely benefit the client. Another great upsell strategy is creating service packages. Instead of offering individual services, group related services together at a higher price point. This makes the upsell feel more like a deal rather than just an additional cost. For instance, if you're a copywriter, you could package blog post writing with social media content creation at a premium rate, which is a more valuable option for clients looking for consistent content across multiple platforms. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Automated systems can help you deliver these upsells without spending all your time on the sales process. By using software, you can set up automated upsell offers directly within your workflow. For example, after completing a project, you can automatically send clients a tailored email with an offer for the next service you can provide. This works especially well if you use a system that integrates with your invoicing or project management tools, helping you scale your upselling efforts without lifting a finger. If you're wondering which software to use for this, I've tested most of the popular ones, and I'll tell you exactly what software I recommend for implementing these upsell strategies. I've included an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along. Once you've set up your upsell offers, focus on timing. The right moment to present an upsell is when the client is already happy with your work. For example, right after delivering a project, when they're excited about the results, is the perfect time to mention that you also offer a complimentary service. Keep it low pressure and focus on the added value they'll receive. Finally, make sure you're offering upsells in a way that feels natural. No one likes a pushy salesperson, especially if they didn't ask for more. Frame your upsells as a way to enhance the original service, not as something extra they have to do. To recap, identify natural extensions of your services, create packages that make sense, automate the upselling process with software, and present your upsells at the right time without being too pushy. And remember, don't miss out on the exclusive free trial for the software I'm using to automate my upsell strategy. Check out the link in the description. Key takeaway. The key to successful upselling is offering additional value that enhances the service you're already providing. Create packages, time your upsells right, and use software to automate the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial.